My name is Chris Huddleston. I'm a shift lead trainer here at Webco Distribution. I've been here over 30 years, but rehire, I've been here 30 years. Usually when we walk in, we meet in a certain area, pretty much have a little meeting first and then get started. I do multiple things. I bend, run the hem saw, can hydro. I've done everything in here. So really I prefer the hem saw, I really do. It's relaxed, kind of laid back. I'm 61 years old. It's easier now to just kind of do the easier jobs, but you know, bending and the hem saw are my main two priorities that I do. And you could be up to 5, 6 people that you're working with during the day. And usually as the bender, you kind of designate in a way what goes on around there, what bells you need next, what material you need next, what most of the other people are going to do next. A teamwork in the shop is what I like around here. I like to see people working together and helping people out. I think trust is the best thing in your daily life. You know, if you can't trust who you're around or with, you know, who can you trust? I've endured a lot, seen people come and go. Webco's always been a good company to me, and they hired me back, so, you know, I've dedicated my life to them.